Introducing Mr. John Ryan, an entrepreneur. He always trying to reach his business in a great height. So, he was planning to create an attractive website to target the audiences. But he could not figure out where to avail the best possible website designing service near him. Meanwhile, one of his friends suggested him to contact Zebra Techies Solution. To get a detailed knowledge about them, they immediately started searching them online and got to know that it is an award-winning SEO company in India famous for offering website designing works for last 10 years. He was satisfied to know that they create innovatively designed websites that can embody any business, brand and effectively communicate with potential customers. They always try to provide SEO-friendly, easy accessible, unique website designs that portray the best brand image. So, without wasting his time, he immediately hired them and availed the most dependable and result-oriented web designing services. Are you looking for the same? Contact them now by dialing +91 9,432,929,492 to share your web designing needs. For more details, browse through https://zebratechies.com/.